Alright, so here it is. It's Black & Decker. It was plugged in. I have my deep fryer plugged in. Hold on. So it's Black & Decker. I want you guys to hear that it works. And it was $14.97. It works. The cord, I wanted to show you what I thought it was cool, is that the cord actually is in here and you can retract it out, like you can pull it out farther. See how I pulled it? And you just pull it out. And then I think at the bottom you could kind of roll it back in. But I just thought that was really cool for the price. And the main reason was, like, I paid $5 extra for the black one. But I got the black one because most of my stuff, as you see, you know, I guess, I mean, and I'm getting me a new crock pot. I have to. So I just wanted to give you one more view, a better look of my chicken. That season, it hasn't been floured yet, but it's ready to go. And then here's the oxtails. Hold on, that lid. And so I'm waiting, just getting them cooked down. Stir them up again. And I'm going to make some rice and some green beans to go with that. Hold on.